Hello everyone. In this video we are going to show you how to find the altitude of the sun without looking directly into it. Please do not look directly into the sun. We're going to show you how to use the astrolabe to find the altitude of the sun. As you already know, this is the back of the meter and this is called elidate. Set your elidate at 0 degrees over here. Look, at 0 degrees on the altitude scale, 0 degrees. Also suspend your elidate in front of the sun such that the rays of the sun which are coming from here, the rays, this surface is parallel to the sun's rays. The shadow of this astrolabe should look like the one shown in the other video, which is running on the side. We have extended these markers. So that you can clearly see them in the shadow. You can see two markers in the shadow. Look carefully. You can see these two markers, right? Extending out of the plate, out of the astrolabe. This elidate needs to be set at 0 degrees. Look over here at 0 degrees. Now all you have to do is rotate this elidate such that, look into the shadow, the video which is showing you the shadow on the side. This elidate has to be rotated in a way such that those two markers, they coincide with each other. Again, set it at 0 degree first, then hold your astrolabe in a manner that this surface is parallel to the sun's rays, parallel to it. Look into the shadow video. Rotate this elidate such that these markers, the markers extending out of the plate, coincide with each other, like this. Again, look how they are coinciding when we are rotating the elidate. They have coincided now. All you have to do is now hold the elidate at its place and read the angle from here. Read the angle from here. This is 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, probably is 30 degrees somewhere over here. You just have to read it, what angle it is here. The angle that you have read just now is the sun's altitude right now at this time from this place where I am standing right now from my latitude. This is the angle of sun's altitude at this particular time. This altitude will increase as the sun goes up. So every time you want to find the local time, you have to find the sun's altitude using this astrolabe in exactly this manner. We really hope you have understood how to do this. If any questions, any queries, please feel free to reach us out at 9680-648-958 or drop us an email to skullandskill@gmail.com. Thank you so much for listening.